The plug-in hybrid variant of the all-new 4th-generation Mitsubishi Outlander that went on sale in the US has been revealed online. Pictures and some details of the all-new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV are available, with a reveal scheduled for October 28, 2021. The second-generation Outlander PHEV will replace the first-generation model in the US in 2016. The new Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has all the same features as the petrol model, but not without a few tweaks. Mitsubishi has yet to reveal details about the internal combustion engine of the next-generation Outlander PHEV. Like the current vehicle, the all-new model has two electric motors mounted separately, one at the front and one at the rear. Mitsubishi says that the new Outlander PHEV has increased motor output and increased battery capacity and provides greater range, but has yet to release figures. Drivers can choose from normal, gravel, snow, power, eco, and 2 other driving modes, which have not been disclosed. Another similarity with the current Outlander PHEV is the implementation of the system, Super All-Wheel Control, derived from the Lancer Evo. The interior also has the same design as the petrol variant. The instrument cluster has several additional functions, as indicated by the battery charge indicator in the image below. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, full-color 10.8-inch HUD, 10-speaker Bose audio system, and MI Pilot Assist. The all-new Outlander PHEV, however, has covered this. 3-row seating should be optional, with the 5-seat version ensuring a lower entry price and suitability for customers requiring volume cargo. Mitsubishi plans to launch the next-generation Outlander PHEV in Japan between October 2021 and March 2022, and then in the US between July 2022 and December 2022.